Na mkiwaona si mnaona wote ni wasomi wakuu. Wasomi wakuu. Mmoja is a professor, the other one is a PhD, university lecturer. Kwa hivyo katika mambo ya masomo, this is a model of family to be emulated by the students. And that is why they are the right people actually to come here and advise the students and even the teachers on how to improve our performance. Na katika qualifications, sasa tutafuta hiyo ofisi kuu, kunaye anashinda Professor Kia? Kunaye? No, really, honestly, nani anamshinda kwa wale wanatafuta hiyo? Na hiyo experience, ameendesha Ministry of Education vizuri, amefanya mabadiliko mengi katika hiyo wizara, ana hiyo masomo ya kutosha. Kwa hivyo, if that is the test that we were giving to give votes, then it should be given votes. Isn't it? Na tumesema tukiingia huko tutafanya ile inaitwa sister counties, and we will twin ourselves with Narok. You know, there is what the concept called the twinning. You become sister counties, mnasaidiana. So sisi na Narok tutakuwa sister counties.
Now we need to go to another level. So Mheshimiwa, honestly, you have to go and tell your colleagues to stop playing in parliament, doing things for themselves. We have more urgent and more serious issues to do than to allow a few members of parliament, 210 of them, to play around in Bunge. You are not one of them, but there are some. Now, we said we wanted discipline in political parties. Now they are saying, oh, for this time around, for us, allow us to play around. Then next time you can do whatever you want. We don't make laws like that. We don't make laws for a specific group of people and then change them again. I'm not a lawyer, Mheshimiwa. Is that not true? The law cannot be selective. The law of the country must apply across the board. And members of parliament should not sneak in legislation at midnight. They should debate issues in broad daylight and let us all have understanding of what they are passing. Because they are not representing themselves, they are representing Kenyans. So if they want to decide the qualification, they should go back and talk to people and consult, then go back and decide on the basis of consultation. If they decide, now we have again to decide. We said in the Constitution that the nomination seats are for special interest. Now we are saying, if you're a presidential candidate and you don't pass, you go back and you are nominated. That is called selfish interest.